Hello, in this video I want to show you how to get Voices of the Void. And to do this, first you will need to Google or just enter this link. It's itch.io, and when you're here I strongly recommend to download the app, since sometimes when you try to download the game straight out from the website, it will basically download for all eternity. And now when you have that app installed, it should look like this. And also you will need to log in or create an account. Now in the search we can look for Voices of the Void. And right here you'll find Download Now button. And here you can pay the contribution for the game if you want, but that's optional. You can also go with no thanks, just take me to the downloads, and you'll be able to download the game for free. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.